Welcome food travelers to another mini. In this mini, we're sharing our experience staying at the Excalibur Hotel, and our room is in the Royal Tower called the Royal Tower 2 Queen Room. And like many other visits to MGM properties, we checked in through the app and got ourselves a digital key. When entering the elevator, you will need to make sure your Bluetooth is on when using the app so you can select your floor. Otherwise, you'll be riding the elevator for a while. The hotel room is old and you can tell by the wear and tear the moment you step into it. When we got into our room, it was already past midnight. Although we found issues with the room, we were way too tired to request for another room. In the bathroom, you'll find a hair dryer, some towels, body wash, shampoo, and lotion. When we arrived, the water from the shower head was still dripping water, and there was a strand of hair stuck on the bottom of the shampoo bottle. In the closet in the entrance area, it does have a safe, a luggage storage, ironer, and ironer board. It's strange there is no light for the closet as the room is already so dark. It's kind of hard to see inside of it. Checkout is at 11 a.m. and that is written on the door as a reminder. The room is 352 square feet with a maximum occupancy of 4. The website does state there is no rollaway beds and there is free wireless internet, and for a fee you can get wired internet. Being on the 3rd floor, there is really no views, it's just the wall. I guess that is still better than a room without a window. In many other hotels, there's usually a fridge underneath the TV. However, in this particular room, there's really nothing there. It's kind of strange that it's just empty. There's really little to no plugs. A lot of them are blocked off. It would be nice if there were some plugs on the sides of the beds so you could charge your phone while you're sleeping. So as you can see in the video, a lot of the plugs are blocked off and there's nothing to plug into. There is a lamp on one side of the beds and it does not work. On that side of the bed, you can see the lamp there and it's missing a button. And on one of the bed sheets, it does appear to be washed. However, there was some dark stains on them. I'm not sure what that stain is from. For how busy the hotel was, the walls don't appear to be paper thin and you can get some good sleep in here. Overall, if you're on a budget and you're looking to stay on the strip and don't mind staying in a dark room or the issues that we found, this could be a good option for you.
If you've enjoyed the content you've seen, don't forget to support the channel and hit like and subscribe. And if you want to see additional pictures of food and our travels, go over to our Instagram page and follow us there. And thanks for watching.